Hi, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, thank you so much. And to this video, I have a Milan unboxing for you, and everything is from here. Hermes. There actually the other one is regrettable. I will tell you the story first. I got this Hermes watch over here, but that not set. I only get the strap, guys. I did try the different color, but this one's only suit to this only a taupe color. And so I don't want to buy a full set of Hermes watch, Apple watch, whatsoever. I have already the dial, the dial. I just need a strap. I don't know why, for some reason. And maybe everybody said like, hey, it's not the full set of Hermes. Well, I don't care. As long as I have a strap, that's all that mattered to me. People have a different opinion for that. So for me, it's, I don't care if I have don't have the full set or not. So yeah, so my original strap is right here. I put right here. Actually, the people in Milan is really nice people, guys, and that place is, let's see how many stores, like three. They have different level. The bag, the second floor is in the bag, and the shoes in the third, and then the accessories in the third, like makeup and beauty or something like that. And at first I went to the second one and asked again my wish list, but of course nothing. They offer me another bag, but it's not the one. I can go with Constance, only 18, not the bigger one, because you know me, I don't like big bag. So yeah, that's it. So the second one, it's over here. Gave me a 2 bag because, like I said, I get 3 items. So here it is. This is the one I'm telling you that I regret purchasing it. So I'm gonna show you first why. Okay, so I wanted this, a new belt, but in 32. I do have a buckle in different brand, but hopefully I forgot to ask my husband what size of my Dior buckle that I have, because to be honest with you, I thought I can buy different buckle itself and also the strap, but no. So when I go to the UK, because I want to get the different one, because in Milan doesn't have so much choices, only edge buckle, and I do have that one on my 24 size, and I'm getting the 32. And because I gained so much weight, so I get the 35, the gold and the noir, and this is actually perfect. But the problem is I forgot to ask that they don't sell the buckle. They don't sell separately besides this one over here. So now now, good thing that I have a buckle itself from Dior, that hopefully I need to find that, and hopefully it is a size. I know we've been one thing, I bought that buckle, but I didn't buy like a leather strap. So which is, I don't know what I'm thinking. Maybe because I was so excited because I'm in Milan, and I want to, actually guys, I want to get every items in there, but I'm gonna be broke if I do that. I just want to came in there actually for my wish list, but unfortunately they don't have anyway, and I just don't want to go home and nothing, getting nothing. So I getting three, since I have this one on my wish list before. So I said, you know what, let me get this one over here. I'm glad I did get this one in Europe, because I keep mentioning this, tax refund. Better to get the in Europe, and don't get in England, because England, they don't give you a tax refund at all due to the Brexit. They said they stopped doing that now. So yeah, this is the second one item that I got. I wanted the gold. It's because I have Oran gold sandal, and I want to match that. But like I said, I'm gonna find the buckle, the Dior one. And to be honest with you, this black one over here is so shiny. I'm not sure if I compare to my other one. So yeah, in case if ever I'm going back somewhere in Europe, I'm gonna get a full set. And so I just probably sell this one. I'm not sure, but I don't know yet. But anyway, that's what happened. You're too much excited and you don't get anything. So I ending up getting a strap. But like I said, I'm gonna look for that buckle, that Dior buckle that I never wore. I had that one. When is that? Cheese, when we were in the UK 4 years ago, 5 years ago. So, oh, I don't know what I am thinking. And also, by the way, guys, I did check the Van Cleef in Milan. Dang, it's so expensive there. I didn't visit the Cartier, only the Van Cleef. And I looked for the Onyx Alhambra, and it was 31 euro, 3100 euro. And I conversion that, it comes out with 39. Even though you get a tax refund, but you still lose. So I rather get something in here because it's cheaper in the States. So then think, I'm not sure in other Europe, but in Milan I did check. I didn't check in Prague because I don't see one. Did you? But probably I went to the other side because the whole street of Prague, it has all other like luxury brands that you name it, it's everything's in there. So actually the first one I seen is a Cartier, but I didn't went into the Cartier because like I said, I don't find anything I like in Cartier at the moment. I wanted in Van Cleef, but I didn't see any Van Cleef in Prague. So when I saw in Milan, I was shocked that it's still pricey there than here in the States. So I talked to the lady, and she said, well, it's still up to you. And I know it's hard to get that thing over here in the States, but I don't want to pay a full price more than States. I'd rather get the one in the States. I can wait. It's not in the rush anyway. So I'm just telling you guys the story about that as well. So if ever you go to Milan, don't bother get the Van Cleef because it's more expensive, because I already conversion that. It is. So the last items is over here, and this is all the ribbon that I got from them. So it's so messy. I was planning to do the whole Europe unboxing, but it's gonna be a while, so I'm gonna do individual, so at least I have 4 videos to upload. Hey, mine as well, right? So I cannot resist this. I get this sandal over here. I didn't wear this yet because I want to wait this one. So this is, I got the orange sandals in noir color. I did ending up getting the black because I have a gold one. It's so comfortable, guys. Really soft, and hopefully that this later on. And so I decided the one that I buy is from Prelab. I got this one from a friend of mine, actually a friend of my Instagram. She sell that one. That one is 34 and a half, and for some reason that one's a little bit smaller, so I ending up getting a 35, which is this one is perfect, and it has my size as well. And I was planning to get a sole protector for this because this is kind of slippery for some reason, so I want to get that one. So I really love I love Oran more. Hopefully this one is more comfy as well than a gold one. So yeah, I love it so much. Even though I keep telling myself before that I'm not gonna get the flat sandals because I'm short. I want something heel. That's why I'm getting the Oasis one because it gave me a little bit of height. But when I had that Oran, man, I wear that all the time. I don't care how short I am because it's so comfy. The only thing that problem, because when I walking, and sometimes it's slip off of my foot, and and yeah, so that's the only problem. But the sandals is so good, and I'm glad I get another color. Actually, this is the only color they have on my size. They have one like a red, orange, and blue, and I don't care. For some reason, it doesn't look good on my feet, and I don't have a really good feet, so that's why I always stick the one it looks good on my feet, and so my feet looks more beautiful. So yeah, there you go. So that's it for my Hermes unboxing for you guys. Hope you like this kind of content. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.